Griha. Getting you some breaking news now, and this is to do with the allopathy versus Ramdev controversy. The Supreme Court of the country has now pulled up Baba Ramdev over his comments on allopathy in a bid to promote Ayurveda. Now, the bench that was headed by the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, also issued a notice to Patanjali Ayurveda and the central government over a plea that was filed by Indian Medical Association. Now, the bench has remarked that why should Baba Ramdev criticize the doctors and then go ahead to abusing them? My colleague Ananya, who's brought us that breaking news input, is joining me on the broadcast. Ananya, this is a setback there for Baba Ramdev over the comments. Like, we'd like to believe he likes to fly off the handle when he goes ahead and makes those comments. And now the Supreme Court of India is coming down heavily on him.
Well, yes, definitely. And this has been a long matter. It is also there in the High Court where, in fact, this matter was also going on. And now the IMA, that is the Indian Medical Association, has knocked the doors of the Supreme Court, clearly saying that, in fact, Baba Ramdev's comments on allopathy are in a bid to, in fact, defame the allopathic doctors and in order to promote Ayurveda. So now the Supreme Court also came down heavily on, has said that clearly that why should Baba Ramdev criticize the doctors and abuse these doctors? The bench also issued a notice to Patanjali Ayurveda and central government over a plea filed by the Indian Medical Association and would now be hearing the matter soon and has asked both these parties to file their responses before the top court of the country. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what the center and the Patanjali Ayurveda say. In fact, more particularly Patanjali Ayurveda says in its defense over this petition that has been filed by the Indian Medical Association. Yeah.
Right, Ananya, thank you so much for joining me with all those details. A notice there filed against Patanjali Ayurveda and also the Supreme Court of the country pulling up Baba Ramdev on his controversial statements.